Hello, I'm Mark Simon, head of the Institute for Demonstrating Useless, Meaningless Babble, or IDUM. As a part of our ongoing quest to educate the masses, we have decided to hunt and follow the elusive and moronic Timmy. Timmy, the not quite so bright denizen of the jungle, has a habit of demonstrating with one disaster after another the basic rules of nature. Oh, wait a minute, could it be? Yes, we have a Timmy sighting. That was thrilling, quite thrilling indeed. Now please, do not try to attempt these antics at home. Timmy is a trick. He's a pro. Roll the film.
Discontinue viewing if symptoms such as diarrhea, vomiting, disembowelment, loss of appetite, loss of limb, loss of life, or loss of income. Please forward all lawsuits to our attorneys to reach them and how.